RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and clean a fan. Tools: cleaning brush, screwdriver. First, let's introduce the parts of a fan. Rear grille, front grille and guard ring, fan blade, nut and rear grille nut, screws. Loosen the screws on the guard ring. Take off the guard ring in the front grille. Unscrew the fan blade nut clockwise. Take off the fan blade. Unscrew the rear grille nut counterclockwise. Take off the rear guard. Clean the parts from the inside out with a cleaning brush. After cleaning, install the rear guard. Screw on the rear grille nut clockwise. Install the fan blade. Screw on the fan blade nut counterclockwise. Put the front grille on top of the guard ring and snap it. You will hear a click when you snap the guard ring on the rear grille. Finally, tighten the screws. It's done. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.